Hello, my beautiful people. It's your lady signing in again. Ladies, have you seen our Autogeles? Have you seen our new summer collection loading online? www.loisnichols.com. If you haven't seen it, go online. It's www.loisnichols.com. We have this lovely autogeles in different colors. Red, green, blue, orange, pink, fuchsia, gold, black, purple, just name it, chocolate. If your color is missing, you know what to do. Ladies, if your color is missing, connect with us on WhatsApp. Click, 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 click. It's in the comment section. Click and connect with us on WhatsApp. We will get your color to you, right to your door. Save time, save money, save energy. Once you're dressed up and ready to go, just put it on like a hat, tie it at the back, and you're good to go. It's all done for you. The pleats are all done for you. And this is so easy to store. It's so easy to manage. And guess what? It's reusable. So you can use it over and over and over and over again. So saving you money in the long run. Ladies, hop in and check out these designs. www.loisnichols.com.